यही निकालो सिर्फ वायर। अस्सलाम वालेकुम सर, आई एम कुलसुम।
Walaikum Assalam. Where are the remaining class? Only 3 are there. Fatima, Kulsum, Shifa, Naba is there now. Yes, class. How are you all? How are you all, class? Is I audible? Is I audible to you, everyone? Yes.
Yes sir.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. So, class, where are the where are the remaining students? Only very few. Fatima, Hafza, Kulsum, Naba, Shifa. Only 5 are there. So class open.
We
Yes.
wait 2 more minutes or just start the class?
What happened?
Sir, will we wait for 2 more minutes or start the class?
Okay, okay. Let the other join. Let Hafza, your voice is coming. It's breaking. Oh, your voice is breaking, Hafza.
Internet problem, sir.
Okay, beta. Yes, students, please open page number 25 of chemistry.
Sir, please send the page on WhatsApp.
25, page number 25. Okay.
I mean, send a PDF on WhatsApp.
You don't have book?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naba. Okay, you WhatsApp me so that I can particularly send you only. Okay, because everyone has having the book. Okay, Naba.
Sir, is this chemistry period?
Yes, beta, it's chemistry period.
No, I'm asking chemistry or physics.
Beta, it's chemistry period today. Okay, there's
Okay,
some
sir.
change in the timetable, so
Yes,
this is
sir.
chemistry period.
So today we have two question answers.
Sir, I messaged you.
Okay, you message me. Okay. Naba Fatima. Okay. Walaikum Assalam. Just hold for a second. Let me giving her the picture of the page. So class, today we are going to start page number 25, 26. Okay. Open it, page number 25 first. Open page number 25. You all open it.
So plastics.
Okay. Yes, plastic. So you
I can
see,
read.
okay, I am telling you first. Okay, then you will tell me if you are not able to understand anything. Okay, you see plastic all around in your surroundings and everywhere. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so there are two kinds of
Yes,
plastic.
sir.
Jazakallah, sir.
Uh, there are two kinds of plastic. One plastic is that you when you that is called a thermosetting plastic. One of the type of plastic is called as thermoplastic, and another type of plastic is called as thermoplastic. Okay, what is the basic difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic? But a thermosetting plastic is that type of plastic which once heated, it will remain its shape forever. Okay, it cannot be remolded further. Okay, it once set on heating, it cannot be remolded on further heating. That type of plastic is called thermoset or thermosetting plastic. Is it clear to everyone? Nashra?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Sir, can
thermoset.
you please repeat that?
Okay, I am repeating. Remember this thing, thermoset means that type of plastic
Thermos.
set permanently. If we heat it, it cannot be remolded back towards another shape.
Yes.
Okay, this is the property of thermoset plastic or
Sir, we
thermosetting
can see
plastic.
the
Okay, is it clear? Listen me first. And thermoplastic is that type of plastic which the shape can be changed again and again by remolding. On heating, the shape can be changed. Is it clear? That type of plastic is called
yes,
thermoplast.
sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
For example, you see in your kitchen, your pressure cooker is there, and some utensils having plastic handle. Okay, that is made of very tough, very strong plastic. Okay, this plastic is not easily melted. Okay, so
Sir,
that plastic is made up of thermoset plastic. Okay, that handle is made up of thermoset plastic. And you see also telephones. Some telephones are there. Okay, these are made up of thermoset plastic. Okay,
Thermostatic plastic.
sir,
yes,
thermoset, if we heat it, then it will not be molded one again.
yes. This is the property of
And
this is the
thermoplastic,
thermoplastic, that plastic whose shape can be changed again and again by remolding it, or by whose shape can be changed by heating again and again. Okay,
like plastic bag.
like plastic bags,
Sir, we can
polythene bags. Okay, PVC use PVC sheets are there. What happens? Some constructions are going on,
these.
so they start heating it a little bit so that they can easily molded, or this can easily be bended. You see some pipe connections are there. What have
Yes,
plumbers do? They
yes,
just
sir.
heated the pipe so that they can
They used
make
to heat it.
a bend of that pipe. So that is a PVC pipe, or we can say that
Sir.
is a thermoset plastic. Is it
Yes, sir.
okay? Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, mashallah. So this thing is clear to you,
Now
everyone.
please.
Plastic and thermoset plastic and uh, setting plastic, thermosetting plastic,
Thermo.
thermoplastic. Naba, is it clear to
Yes,
you,
sir.
beta?
Yes, sir. It is clear.
The thermoplastics
Thermoplastic, beta, is that plastic which we change their shape on heating.
to be
Okay.
recycled.
Recycled is another thing. Recycle, it means you are making it again from the very beginning. Okay, you crush it, you make it again. Okay, you are
Which can
changing.
be
You are
molded.
that is molded. Okay, on heating, it can
Yes,
be molded into another shape. This thing is
that is called
thermoplastic.
thermoplastic. Yes.
Okay, this now yes, Amna, you start reading page number 25. Amna, plastic. Read the paragraph plastic. Amina, are you there? Amina, are you there or not? Kulsum, you start reading page number 25, plastic. Kulsum,
Can I, sir?
yes, tell me. Yes, read
Can
it.
I read?
Plastic can be classified into two categories, thermosetting plastics and thermoplastics. Thermosetting plastics include
Bakelite,
bakelite and
melamine. Melamine.
melamine.
Yeah.
Melamine. These plastics become set on heating and cannot be remolded on further heating.
Okay.
They are used
Listen,
in
listen,
making
listen, listen,
handles of
listen, listen to
utensils.
me. Listen to me. Yes, class, please read the name and memorize it, because in tests may be there that some particular things can be asked. What is bakelite? What is melamine? Okay. So you have to read it each and every line cautiously, carefully. Okay. Okay, class.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes,
Okay,
Naba.
sir.
Continue, Anaba. Yes.
And they are used in making handles of utensils and cabinets of television sets.
Okay.
Okay. And I cannot see. Thermoplastics include polyvinyl
Listen.
PVC.
It's a polyvinyl chloride, PVC. Okay. PVC
Polyvinyl
chloride.
chloride.
The full form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Class, all the class is clear to you, all of you. You should also
Yes,
know.
sir.
You should also know the full forms also. Okay. There is a
Polyphenol.
okay. Yes. Start.
Polystyrene and polythene. These plastics can be remolded on heating. They are used in making cables for telephone and electric wiring, plastic pipes, polythene bags, plastic toys, and other plastic items.
Very good, mashallah. Yes, Fatima Zora, are you there? Fatima Zora.
Yes, sir.
Fatima Zora, please read about paints, enamels, and dyes.
Okay. Paints are thick, colorful chemical liquids that are made up of fine particles of zinc, magnesium, and
Magnesium.
aluminum.
Listen, beta. It's not magnesium. It is magnesium. Okay. Fatima
Okay.
Zora. Yes. And
And
aluminium salts. Aluminium salts.
suspended
Solvent.
in a solvent.
Okay. So what are paints? Paints
So I can read now.
listen to me first. What are paints? Paints are basically substances. What are the properties of that substance? They are thick, they are colorful, they are chemical liquids. Okay. These substances are made up of fine particles. What fine particles? Fine particles is of zinc, magnesium, and aluminum salt. Okay, they are
So,
suspended in
what
a
is aluminum salt?
aluminum salts. Basically, aluminum salts. You see salt. Okay, aluminum. Okay, aluminum salts are the substances which are used in making paints.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so these things you are mixed in a solvent. Okay, so these chemicals are mixed, and what you get it after mixing, you get it paint. Okay, you are paint. When you mix these things, the ingredients, you will what you find out what is the product. Product is paint. Okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear? Okay.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum Salam. Just listen to me first. Okay, just listen to me. Okay, so paints, you see paints, we are doing paints on our houses, on our walls. Okay, so there are different types of paints available in the market. Like we can say that some paints are called as water-based paints. Some paints are oil-based paints. Some paints are heat resistant. Okay, so different. What happened? So there are different types of paints depending upon the need. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Clear.
So here it is written on the page.
Yes,
that
sir.
eh,
Sir, I have done exercise.
Beta, listen to me first. Okay. So depending upon the type, okay, paints are classified as water based. It is one of the type of paint, and oil based. Okay, you see someone painting is there. Okay, when painters start painting the things, they added something. Okay, some paints they are added oils. Okay, so they are oil based paints. So we can say that the common white paint is zinc oxide. Okay, what is a white paint? White paint is basically zinc oxide. So you remember this thing. If fill in the blank come, what the common white paint is dash. So what you have to write? You have to write zinc oxide. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, so I'm telling you the way the question paper will come. Okay, it will ask such type of blanks also. Okay, so paints is zinc paint is also used in cosmetic industry. It is written here, means that it is one of the use. Okay, yes, Ayman, Jamal, Hafza, you are raising your hand. What happened? If you are not asking, please put your hands down. Okay, like paints, there is another thing called as enamels. Enamels are also a type of paint. Which type of paint? It is a particular
Sir?
type. Yes,
Sir, what is dyes?
listen to me. I'm coming to that topic also. First, complete me this thing. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So enamels are a type of paint. Which type of paint? It is a organic oil paint. Okay. So if anyone asks you or any question is there in the test in the assessment, you can write enamels are dash. So enamels are organic oil paints. Is it clear?
Yes, sir,
And
it's clear.
and these
Yes, sir,
enamels
it's clear.
these enamels paint are made from plant resin. What is plant resin? You see some viscous things are coming out of the plant. Okay, some
White color.
white color rubber thing. Or okay, some viscous thing is there. So that is called resin. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, very
Okay,
good.
sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, so now come to another thing, that is dyes. What are dyes? Yes, who will read it? Dye. Hamza Kamar, please you read it. Hamza Kamar, please you read the topic dye.
Sir, I can read.
Hamza, yes, you are read.
Dyes are colorful organic substances that may be obtained from plants or prepared synthetically.
Listen, okay,
Alizarin,
yes,
red, and
listen to me, Hamza, listen to me, okay. So it means
yes,
that
sir.
dyes are of two types, okay. It can be obtained from plants. It means that dyes are maybe naturally obtained, or they can be synthetically, means they can be man-made also. So
Yes, sir.
two things are clear from this topic, that dyes are natural also and dyes are man-made also. Is it clear to you, Hamza?
Yes,
Hamza
sir, it's
beta?
Yes, sir.
clear.
Hamza beta, yes,
Sir,
continue. Yes, continue.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Hamza
sir,
beta,
clear.
बेटा आगे
Indigo blue.
नहीं
Yes, sir.
alizarin. Yes, start alizarin red and indigo blue.
Alizarin red and indigo blue are example of dyes. Dyes are
Okay,
used
listen, stop.
in the
Okay,
textile
you,
industry.
listen, you read a sentence, after full stop take a pause so that I can explain it to the class. Is it clear, Abza?
Okay, sir.
So it means that these are the two names, okay, two examples of dyes, alizarin red and indigo blue. Okay, so if this thing you
Yes.
have to remember. Okay, now start reading. Dyes are used in.
Dyes are used in textile industries to impart color to clothes.
They are used in industries. Textile means the industry where clothes are made. Okay, so they are
Yes,
used to
sir.
impart colors, different colors you are wearing clothes.
Sir.
So how they made? They are using dyes of different color to impart different colors to the clothes. Is it clear?
Synthetic dyes are also coloring hairs and skins.
You see nowadays.
Has been the
Listen,
oldest natural dye.
listen me. It means that they are
Yes.
so you see people they are using some dyes in their hairs. They are coloring their hairs. Okay, so dyes are also used for
And
coloring
skin.
and skin also. Okay, so start. Indigo has been the oldest natural dye. Okay, you see indigo
Indigo has
has been the oldest natural dye. You see,
Indigo has been the oldest natural dye with
okay,
glisten color is used.
okay, listen. Indigo means you see uh, anyone, father or your brother or anyone who are wearing white clothes, they are using blue a type of dye in the clothes in washing. When they wash the clothes, they use blue color dye. Okay, that is called
Like
indigo.
Ujala.
Sir, indigo is dry leaf. Sir, indigo is dry leaf, I think so. That we use for dyeing hairs.
Yes, yes, they are these, or they are some pigments. Okay, okay, beta. They are pigments that are used for dyeing. Nowadays, indigo, like indigo, in early times, like today, ujala are there. Okay, for coloring the pigment, for coloring the kurta pajama and all the whites, all the white color clothings. So in early days, in olden days, indigo are used. Still, some people still use indigo for coloring the cloths. So indigo is a natural dye. Another example of natural dye is beta turmeric, saffron, beetroot.
Saffron, beetroot,
Sir, what is strawberry?
cabbage,
Sir,
spinach,
strawberry
and
is clear in 9 colors.
Yes,
in when we
Strawberries
want
are also
strawberry
used
red
in
then
dyeing.
yes, beta. These are the names. Okay, these are the names. Strawberries, beetroots. These are the names of natural
Of the
food
Sir,
color.
what
dye.
is red cabbage? Red cabbage.
It is a
red
it
color
is
cabbage.
listen, it is a natural food dye. You see, some coloring pigments are adding.
Food color. These are
Okay.
food colors.
Okay, some biryani, you see some red rices are
Yes,
there.
sir.
These are food colors.
These are food colors, sir. These are food colors.
These are food color dyes. Okay, you can see that these are food color dyes. So what we observed here, they are food color dyes. We are some dyes which are used in our skins. There are some dyes which are used in our clothing, textile industries.
Yes.
So different dyes are used in different places.
Sir, can I
According,
read next?
yes, beta, you will read Fayyaz Hassan.
Sir, can I read?
Yes,
Sir,
Fayyaz.
Isman.
Who will?
Sir,
I
I
can.
stop reading.
Sir,
Okay.
please,
Okay, Isma Anwar,
So I
please
can
you read.
read.
Isma, listen, everyone stop. Isma Anwar, please you read. Oh, happy?
When clothes, carpets, wood, or leather get stained, chemistry helps the discoloration that is clearly visible, and it is not easily
Sir, I
removed.
can read.
Beta, no one
I
interrupt.
am reading.
Isma is reading. No one interrupt in between. Okay. Again,
When
listen.
clothes,
Isma, ek minute, just hold on. Let
Sir,
me
your
mute.
voice
Let
is not coming.
Isma, you read. Okay, Isma, you read. No
yes,
one.
sir, I am reading.
Okay, Isma, please.
When clothes, carpets, wood, or leather get stained, chemistry helps the discoloration that is clearly visible, and it is not easily removed, is known as stain.
Okay.
To remove the stains, physical and chemical techniques are available. The type of stain and the material on which the stain exists decide when technique is used.
Okay.
Stains caused due to perspiration in the underarms can be removed using lemon juice and vinegar. Carpet stains are removed using salt or coconut oil, sometimes hydrogen peroxide, a mild bleaching agent is also
Okay.
used to remove tough stains.
Okay. So,
Oxalic acid also works to remove tough stains on tough blood and ink stains. Glycerine is used in removing stains from woolen clothes.
Sir, your voice not clear.
okay, I am explaining this thing. Okay. Okay.
Page
Mute.
number 26.
This page number 26. I am explaining it. This topic. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mute everyone. I am explaining it. Okay. In this paragraph, what is there? You see some spots over some clothes, carpets, okay, leather things, leather jackets, and everything. So that spots or that discoloration is what is that called? These are strains. You see, these are some
Sir.
spots. Strains are there. So what you want, you don't want, and no one want that stain should be there in their clothes. So they want to remove it. Okay. Everyone want a clear clothes, okay, clean clothes. No one want a clothes with stains over it. Okay, so there are some methods, there are some techniques are there, like physical techniques and chemical techniques are there to remove the spots, or we can say that to remove the stains. Okay, so there are some natural things also which are used. Some lemon juices, vinegars are used. You see in our homes also something,
Yes,
or
sir.
some spot is there while we are eating something. Also, our parents or our brothers and sisters, big brothers and sisters say that go and immediately wash it and do a lemon drop over it so that this stain can be removed. Okay, so in this way, stains can be removed. There are certain things like salt, coconut oils. They are also used for removing the stains. Okay, so I'm class. I'm again focusing on the things that please remember the names. Whatever the names are coming, vinegar, lemon juice, salt, coconut, bleaching agents, so hydrogen peroxide. Okay, these things you should remember the names. Okay, these are the chemicals, these are the materials, these are the substances which are used to remove the strain, because such thing may be asked in the assessment test also. So you have to remember each and everything. Your test will be easy, but you have to, if you are not remembering these names, so it is very difficult to get the marks. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir, it's
Yes,
clear.
sir.
Okay,
I have a query.
yes, please ask. Please ask.
Sir, in the last sentence, it's written glycerine is used in removing stains from woolen clothes.
Yes.
So, sir, glycerine is the name of a cream.
Beta, glycerin is a solution. Okay, it is an chemical solution. It is used glycerin. Yes, you are right. Glycerin was also mixed in creams nowadays. Creams and cosmetics are available in which glycerin content is there. Okay, this thing is helps in glowing the skin and all these. Okay, but glycerin, basically glycerin is used as a chemical substance. It is used for removing stain from the woolen clothes. Okay, nowadays glycerin which are used, it is mixed with something, and like it is used in cream, so glycerin is mixed with some
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Afza, your voice is still not coming. Okay, so beta, it is
Your
clear.
voice is not clear.
Okay, now
Yes, sir, it's clear.
glycerin is clear to you, beta.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so
Yes,
I am reading the next paragraph, silicons. Okay, I am completing. I am reading it. Okay, let's listen it. Okay, silicons are man-made substances made of combination of silicons with other chemicals, which means that silicons are some substances. It is a man-made substances. These substances are made when silicon, it is an substance which is made with another chemicals. Okay, so silicons are used in making packing foods, tinned foods. Okay, they are non-toxics. And what is the property of silicon? The property of silicon has it has a very high melting point, very high boiling point. It is suitable for non-sticks, okay, heat resistant pans. You see some rubbers is over the handles of non-sticky pans. Okay, you see in kitchen also. So they are rubber like substances. So this, that is what that substances, that is made up of silicons. Okay,
yes, sir.
some
Okay,
lining,
sir.
some lining is made in the refrigerator or furnaces. Lining means some border is there. So this is made up of substance silicons. Why? Because it is a property of silicon that it can resist very high melting point. Okay,
Okay, sir.
so it is also used in aeroplanes and automobiles also. So there are some uses written on page number 27 also. They are used in sealant, adhesive, lubricants. Okay, they are also using some soap and dyes. Okay, you see nowadays some mask is made up of silicon also. Okay, there's a rubber like substance that having a last. You see in newspapers and all the magazines that masks are made up of silicons. Okay, these are
Okay, sir.
silicons are used.
Okay, sir.
silicons are used nowadays in most of the things. Okay. Now another important thing in this chapter is chemistry and defense. Okay, you see some high technical suits or battle suits are there. So they are made with special type of fabric or special type of chemicals are used in that fabric. So they are very lightweight. They are very much comfortable. Okay. So chemistry is also used in defense also in this way. So there are some th- uh, things are given here like missiles, warfare gases like chlorine, phosgene, mustard gas, explosives. Okay, so nowadays bombs and all things are used. So chemistry is everywhere. You see TNT. Remember the I am saying again to the class. Remember the full form of the things. Okay, TNT. TNT is trinitrotoluene. Okay, and another
Okay, sir.
RDX is there. What is the full form of RDX? RDX
Research Department Explosive.
explosive. Very good because in
Sir,
the
RTX full form is Research Department Explosion.
exactly, beta in the exercises also there are some questions which you have to write
Yes,
the full
sir.
forms. So you have to remember the things. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Another thing is IED,
Yes,
improvised
sir.
explosive devices. They are used side bomb.
Commonly used in roadside
Roadside
bomb.
bomb. Okay. So till here,
Okay, sir.
everything till here is any problem?
No, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
sir, roadside bombs are used for explosion mountains also.
exactly. Very good. You know it. MashaAllah. Yes. Yes. Anyone in the class can tell me if you have any kind of problem in this sector, you can ask me.
No, sir.
Sir, no problem. No query, sir.
Okay, MashaAllah. So, class, I am
Now we
telling.
can start exercises.
Uh,
Questions.
yes, you can remember.
We have finished chapter 2 also. Page number
Listen,
27.
listen to me. Don't shout. If you're shouting, time is running. Beta, time is running out. So please listen to me carefully. Okay, I'm muting again, everyone. Please listen to me carefully. I am saying that go through the exercise, read it, do it in your copy. If you have any type of problem, you can WhatsApp me. Okay, because your first chapter will be coming in your assessment exam. Okay, another thing is that which I am going to tell you that you have to remember each and everything. Like on page number 18, food processing and preservations is there. Okay, yeah, go to open page number 20, 18 and 19. Go open page number 18 and 19. They are cosmetics. So you should never remember the names. What chemicals are used in that? What ingredients are used in preservatives? And what ingredients are used in some cosmetics, toothpaste, and soaps and shampoos? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
It's
class,
clear.
I am saying again, if you have to score good marks in the assessment test, so you should go through the chapter, go through each and a single line so that you can able.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, I have read chapter very clearly.
Sir, the battery is going to be die.
Okay. So you should know the remember sodium benzoate
Sir,
where
why they not coming?
okay, sodium benzoate where it is used, pectin powder where it is used, where are these sauces and preservatives are preserved by which chemicals. Okay, match the following is given on page number 18. Go through it. If you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me.
Please,
Okay.
sir, inshallah. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. On page number 21, go open page number 21. You all
So
open it.
open.
You all open,
Yes, sir.
Amina. Okay. So in page
Yes, sir.
on just listen on page number 21, there are
Chemicals in medicine.
chemical medicines, there are analgesics, antipyretics, septics. Okay. There are names also given. They're like tulsi, milk of magnesia.
The different type of glasses also.
Okay, listen to me. I'm I'm coming to that also. Okay. Okay, so you should remember the names. What is a natural antiseptic? What type of antacids you are using when you have acidity in your stomach? So if you are, what are the man-made fiber? What are the synthetic fiber? Cotton, linen, flax, hemp. Is these are natural fiber or these are man-made fibers? So you should remember the names also. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so that you can able to
Yes, sir.
you can able to score very good marks in the assessment. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
On page number 25, yes, and one of the students said, yes, there are different types of glasses are there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you should know where colored glass is
Yes, sir.
used. Okay, in traffic signals, what type of glass is used?
Okay, sir.
Is we are using colored glass or safety glass? So what is photochromatic glass? Okay, what type of glasses are used? What type of glasses we are using in making optical instruments? What type of glasses we are using in making laboratory apparatus? So you should know the names. What type Pyrex glass is used or borosilicate glass are
So what is the full form of IED?
IED. It is given here. IED means improvised if device. Okay, okay, beta.
Yes, sir, it is there.
It is there, na?
Impressive
Im- im-
explosion device.
Improvised explosive device. Okay, yes. Anyone want to ask something or any query
No, sir.
related to questions related to this chapter? How many of
No,
you
sir.
start preparing that for the assessment?
Sir, inshallah, complete the exercises of
I
chapter
have
2.
started.
How many of you having started
Sir,
the
I
preparation?
started preparing for physics.
What
I
about
have not
chemistry?
started chemistry. Sir, inshallah, I will start today.
You don't waste your time, beta. Stay.
Sir,
Actually,
we are
yesterday I got
revising
sick,
also.
so that's why.
Okay, okay, beta. Stay home.
I
Stay
had a
safe.
lot of stomach.
Yes, you have to study all the chapters, all the subjects also, but you should give time to chemistry and physics also. Okay.
Sir, your
Okay,
voice
sir.
is not audible.
Yes,
Beta,
sir.
maybe due to some internet speed or due to some internet connections, maybe. Okay, I'm trying my best to. I'm connecting the speakers again.
Sir, your
Okay.
voice is not audible.
Yes, now it is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
mashallah.
it's
Mashallah. Okay. So, yes, friends, yes, tell me what do you mean by POP? What is the full form of POP?
Sir,
Plaster of Paris. Plaster of
what?
Paris.
Sir,
Plaster of Paris.
Paris.
Exactly, beta. Very good. Yes, tell me uh, few examples of fertilizers.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizers.
Yes.
Sir,
Sir,
sir, some examples of fertilizers are
sir,
Yes, beta. This is urea,
sir,
pesticides.
sir,
ammonia.
some example of
Common pesticides.
and such as this, sir, nitrate,
Okay.
superphosphate,
Okay, beta.
and urea.
Some example
Of fertilizer are nitrate, superphosphate,
and urea.
and urea.
Okay, beta. So you should remember the names also. Okay, beta.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
okay.
So
Sir.
tell me one thing. Uh, I am saying toothpaste and shampoos are having what chemical in it?
Sir, I can.
Just tell me fast. Who will tell me
Fluoride
fast?
in toothpaste. Fluoride in toothpaste.
What? I am saying in shampoo and toothpaste, some chemicals is there. What is the name?